Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch, Monday, December 16, 2024. This is an earthquake report for Vanuatu, 7.9 confirmed. There's a reason why I wait a half hour before doing my video, because I know exactly what's going to happen. Because this has happened before. Let's go through everything. We'll go through the timing. As soon as my computer gets unstuck. I'm not going to do any cleanup editing on this. So we have several. Initially coming in at 7.3, 7.4, upgraded to a 7.9 confirmed, varying depths between 10 kilometers and 57 kilometers. The 7.9 is confirmed at 43 kilometers deep. This was preceded. My first alert was actually a deep earthquake, 5.88. in this region here off of New Zealand. That was my first alert. Seconds later, my next alert for Vanuatu, south of Vanuatu region. Now we're going to go through the buoys. And again, this is why I wait a half hour, because I expect this to happen. We have 4 buoys in motion. This is not because of a tsunami. I repeat, this is not because of a tsunami. I'll explain, as I have done several times before. This does not mean you should ignore any tsunami warnings for the east coast of Australia, down to New Zealand, New Caledonia, etc., Papua New Guinea. Let's go through the timing. The oddities. Our earthquake is right here. Our earthquake is right here. You notice this buoy is not activated. This was the first one activated. So our earthquake was 0147 UTC. Our first buoy, event mode, 4 minutes later at 0151. See if I got these two here correct. Okay, this one here. So this is a pull down of the ocean floor. Very minimal movement. So again, any movement of the ocean floor to which the buoys are anchored to will put them into event mode. Next, the second one was 4,200 kilometers away. This one here. Third. The third buoy, we're back into the Coral Sea again. Green line, 1 minute interval. Red, 15 second. So it's being yanked down. Fourth buoy at 3,700 kilometers away, just to the right of Guam region, is this one here. By the timing. Quick refresh, see if we have any more. Okay, once again, earthquake right here, 7.9 confirmed. First buoy, second buoy, third buoy, fourth buoy. Why? Mantle plume. Again. We have a push underneath the Pacific plate, west end of the Pacific plate. We obviously have some active volcanic activity, Vanuatu. So here's our earthquake right here. So this has been ongoing for at least 24 hours. So our earthquake is right in here. Our first buoy up here. So about 4,200 plus kilometers away. Now the other buoy, right around here, approximately. About 3,700 kilometers away. So people, I've seen this happen quite a few times. I know what to expect. This is why I don't jump right away to do my YouTube videos. Antipode. The antipode is going to be West Africa now, 30-degree parameters. So the pinpoint is right here, West Africa. We can expect something to happen, possibly Cabo Verde. Canary Islands, there's a substantial increase in earthquakes, Canary Islands, up to magnitude 4 the past 24 hours. Morocco and possibly Algeria. And this region here, Mid-Atlantic Ridge Fracture Zone. We could expect, give me a moment, magnitude 6.5 to a 7, 6.4 to a 7. So that energy, as it goes through the center of the Earth, is going to lose between a magnitude 1 to a 1.5 before it comes out at the opposite end, antipode, within 30 degrees. Let's check our buoys once again. Let's do a refresh. No change. Like I said, I'm not going to do any editing on this video. There'll be a periodic moment of silence while I make sure I got everything covered. So 7.9 confirmed, 43 kilometers depth. I would be curious about the deep 5.88 right in here, which is not really not showing up. So folks, this is actually a an event encompassing the entire Pacific Plate. It's not updated on this map. We have 4 earthquakes here in the Gulf of California. If you want to bear with me one moment. Just checking our low pressure systems for the previous while here. I've already posted it. Let's not forget we've had some earthquake activity. Mount Shasta. 4.0 and a 3.3 inland from the Mendocino fracture zone in this region here. Also some earthquake activity at approximately 18 kilometers depth, which would be at the plate interface of the subducting plate underneath the North American plate. I think that's going to be it for now. We will consider a possibility of an energy spread. However, the Earth is undergoing some changes. So, those red arrows that somebody else has, doesn't always happen that way anymore. However, we'll pay attention for any spread of earthquakes, Solomons, Bismarck Sea, Papua New Guinea, Banda Arc, Indonesia. That is all for now.